And boy, I tell you, all this hiking make you look like an old farmer. You know you're putting in that work. Come out here, you see these scenes, them be the rewards. You know? Yo, I just found the biggest fireplace in the world. Yeah. That's why it's hot out here. Not only did I find world's biggest fireplace, yeah, I found the world's longest barbecue pit. Like, that's at the very end. See this? Imagine what you could be cooking on here. You know how many people this could feed? I would love something like this. This is my dream grill right here. Some fire, some wood. We use some steel grates up on here. You cook everything. That is what you call a barbecue pit. Gotta get me one of them, man. It must be the outdoor porching after they do the torching. Now you see, this is what the neighbors, they want to get. They got this little thing right here. That's the big boy over there, right there. Like I said, this is what you call the tabletop compared to that one over there. But I'll still light it up now. Don't play with me. If y'all know me, you know I'll burn this up. Ooh, tripping right there. I don't like that last park I was in. This one right here, these insects is out here. They doing their job. Gotta make sure you got some of that bug repellent. Spray that on ya. Got these rocks. See? Just open up to the world. Get outside. Do something. Get off the porch. See the world. See that? Come on now. Come outside. Come on, man. Look at this. It's wilderness. It's clean. It's nice. It's quiet. It's quiet. That's what's important. Get away from the city every once in a while. All right, here we go. Just that little behind the scenes, you know. Once the cameras go dead, the producers and everybody, they come out and all that, you know what I'm saying? Bear Grylls and everybody, they got Bear on the grill. Yeah. Little spot up here, overlooking the scene and whatnot. I'll give you a shot of that in a minute, It's cool though, relax. Like I said, it's quiet. It's quiet. If you don't like quiet, then don't do this. If you want to be in the noise, stay in the city. Get away from the city. Have some fun. Relax and chill. Walk over here. Hike a chair. Yeah, man, give me a cigarette. No, I was going to say that's not out here. It's all kind of hidden treasures. Come outside. All right. Did my little sightseeing up here at the tower, did the little trails and whatnot. Seen the big barbecue pit, the little mini table grill, you know. So, done with the tower. Let's head back down the trail. And you know what's ready out there. Let's go. We're heading down. Now, I'm in a dark spot right now, but I made a stop last time. Let's make this stop now. This stop right here, I'm at 5801. 5801. And I'm leaving the top of the tower. Give or take 300. Let's go. Now you might notice a little something here. I don't have my stick. The walking stick, that is. Because it's detachable, breaks down into 3 pieces. Got that in the bag. You know, it's kind of getting in the way while I'm trying to do this video. So, you know, I'll show you that a little bit later. So, we're going to get down this hill. Because we do got a little bit of walking to do. Let's get walking. Like I said, man, it's just so quiet and nice out here. The animals running. It's so quiet and nice out here. I don't even want to talk, disturb the peace. I just want to listen to the nature. Just, you know what I mean? It's just cool. Just listen to that. Quietness. This is that second little check stop we had earlier in the beginning. On that rock. It's right around the corner, right around that bend. You know, we ain't even gonna make a stop there. You know, we're just gonna keep on going on around the park. We almost out of here. Yeah, this is good. I like this one. Let's keep it moving. That concludes this trip at, oh man, I forgot the name of this park, you know. But basically, you know, you go up the mountain, you come down the mountain, they got intersecting paths and whatnot, and a crazy view. I mean, so if you like views, you know, this might be the park for you. No running water, I'm sorry about that though, but you know, it was a nice little walk, nice little trail, nice little view. Insects here are crazy though, but you know, catch me on my next one. I don't know where I'm going to be. I don't know where I'm going to go, but this hiker trip, that's me. I'm out. for a one-man production crew.